Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore the fascinating world of wooden home decor, where creativity meets sustainability. If you enjoy our content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to support our community. Stick around until the end for some exciting insights and tips that you won't want to miss. Your engagement means the world to us, and we can't wait to share this journey with you. Business opportunities in wooden home decor. The wooden home decor market is experiencing a resurgence driven by consumer preferences for unique, handcrafted items that add character to living spaces. This trend creates significant business opportunities for entrepreneurs willing to tap into the growing demand for wooden products. By focusing on creativity and quality craftsmanship, businesses can differentiate themselves in a crowded marketplace. Diverse product offerings, such as wall art, planters, and decorative items, allow companies to cater to various customer segments, enhancing sales potential. Targeting eco-conscious consumers. As environmental awareness increases, many consumers prioritize sustainable products in their purchasing decisions. This shift presents a prime opportunity for businesses that emphasize eco-friendly materials and practices. By sourcing reclaimed wood or certified sustainable timber, brands can attract environmentally conscious consumers willing to pay a premium for responsible products. Marketers should highlight these sustainable practices in their messaging to resonate with this demographic and build a loyal customer base. Leveraging e-commerce platforms. E-commerce platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and Shopify provide small businesses with the chance to reach a global audience. Selling wooden home decor items online eliminates geographical barriers and allows entrepreneurs to connect with consumers actively seeking unique, handcrafted products. To succeed in this space, businesses should invest in high-quality photography, detailed product descriptions, and effective search engine optimization (SEO) to improve visibility and attract potential buyers. Social media marketing. Social media platforms, particularly Instagram and Pinterest, are ideal for promoting wooden home decor due to their visual nature. Engaging content, such as behind-the-scenes videos of the crafting process or style product shots, can attract and retain an audience. Using user-generated content by encouraging customers to share photos of their purchases can also foster community engagement and strengthen brand loyalty. Social media can serve as a powerful tool for brand building and driving traffic to online stores. Collaborations and community engagement. Collaborating with local artisans, influencers, or businesses can create unique, limited edition products that generate interest and increase brand visibility. Such partnerships often strengthen community ties and attract new customers. Additionally, hosting workshops or events allows businesses to engage directly with their audience, offering an experiential connection to the brand. These initiatives can enhance customer loyalty and position the business as a valuable community resource. Emphasizing customization. Offering customizable products can significantly enhance appeal in the wooden home decor market. Personalized items, such as engraved signs or bespoke planters, cater to consumers looking for unique gifts or home accents. By marketing customization options effectively, businesses can attract customers who value individuality and are willing to pay extra for personalized experiences. Showcasing examples of past custom orders can inspire potential buyers and demonstrate the breadth of possibilities. Eco-friendly packaging. Using sustainable packaging materials, such as biodegradable or recyclable options, not only reduces environmental impact but also aligns with consumer values. Highlighting eco-friendly packaging in marketing efforts can enhance brand reputation and attract consumers who prioritize sustainability. By being transparent about packaging practices, businesses can further resonate with eco-conscious buyers and differentiate themselves from competitors. Storytelling and branding. Incorporating storytelling into branding efforts can create a deeper emotional connection with consumers. Sharing the inspiration behind products, the journey of sourcing materials, and the craftsmanship involved can resonate with buyers and foster loyalty. Engaging content, such as blog posts or videos, can enhance the storytelling aspect and position the brand as authentic and relatable, ultimately driving customer engagement and sales. Customer engagement and feedback. Actively seeking customer input through surveys, social media interactions, or email newsletters can provide valuable insights into preferences and trends. This engagement fosters a sense of community and encourages loyalty, as customers feel valued and heard. Highlighting positive reviews and testimonials in marketing materials can build trust and credibility, influencing potential buyers to choose your products over competitors. Seasonal marketing campaigns. Utilizing seasonal themes in marketing campaigns can effectively drive sales in the wooden home decor market. Promoting products as ideal gifts during holidays or as accents for seasonal decor can leverage consumer buying behavior. Creating limited-time offers or bundles that align with seasonal trends can encourage quick purchases and create a sense of urgency among consumers. Educational content. Providing educational content related to home decor can establish your brand as an authority in the field. Topics might include styling tips, care instructions for wooden items, or the benefits of sustainable decor. Engaging content in various formats, such as blog posts, videos, or infographics, can attract diverse audiences and drive traffic to your site, enhancing brand visibility and credibility. Building a community. Creating a sense of community around your brand can encourage repeat business and foster loyalty. Implementing loyalty programs or offering exclusive member benefits can incentivize customers to engage with your brand regularly. Establishing online forums or social media groups where customers can share experiences and ideas can also enhance brand loyalty and create a supportive environment for your audience. Sustainability certifications. Obtaining sustainability certifications can enhance your brand's credibility and appeal in the market. Certifications reassure consumers that your products meet environmental standards, making them more likely to choose your items over competitors. Prominently displaying certifications on product pages and marketing materials reinforces your commitment to sustainability. Attracting eco-conscious consumers. Monitoring trends and innovations. Staying informed about trends in home decor and sustainability can help businesses adapt their product offerings. Regular research into consumer preferences and innovations in materials or production techniques can position your business as a leader in the industry. Being flexible and willing to adapt to changing trends ensures long-term success and relevance in the evolving market. In summary, the wooden home decor market offers significant business opportunities for entrepreneurs who embrace sustainability and innovative marketing strategies. By targeting eco-conscious consumers, leveraging e-commerce, engaging with communities, and emphasizing storytelling, businesses can carve a niche in this growing market. As consumer preferences continue to evolve, staying attuned to environmental issues and trends will be essential for sustained success in the wooden home decor industry. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our content, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more great videos, and we appreciate you being part of our community.